Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we will cover essential maintenance steps for your Dyson HS01 hairdryer to keep it running smoothly. Let's dive right in. First, gather the necessary tools for this maintenance task. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a soft brush, a microfiber cloth, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Begin by unplugging your hairdryer from the power source to ensure your safety. Once unplugged, take the Phillips screwdriver and remove the screws located at the base of the device. Be careful to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Now, gently separate the outer casing from the main body. This will expose the internal components of the hairdryer. At this point, you may notice some dust buildup inside. Using the soft brush, gently clean any dust or debris you find on the fan and heating elements. This is crucial for maintaining airflow and ensuring the device heats properly. If you don't have the right tools or feel uncomfortable doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can help identify any issues and provide guidance. Next, let's focus on cleaning the filter. The filter is typically located at the back of the dryer. Remove it carefully and wash it under lukewarm water. Avoid using any harsh chemicals that might damage it. Once clean, allow the filter to dry completely before reinstalling. While you have the device open, take a moment to inspect the internal wiring and connections. Make sure there are no loose wires or visible damage. If you do spot any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We offer pickup and delivery at your home for repairs, making it easy for you. After you've completed the internal cleaning, it's time to reassemble your hairdryer. Carefully place the outer casing back onto the main body and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Ensure everything is tightly fastened to avoid any rattling during use. For an extra layer of maintenance, take a microfiber cloth and lightly dampen it with isopropyl alcohol. Wipe down the exterior of your hairdryer to remove any fingerprints or grime. This will keep your device looking new and professional. Remember, if you ever need a quote before repair or require any further assistance, we are just a call away. No calls, no travel, just a simple and efficient service at your convenience. Once you've completed these steps, plug your hairdryer back in and test it to ensure everything is functioning correctly. You should notice improved performance and a longer lifespan for your Dyson HS01 hairdryer with regular maintenance. Following these steps will not only keep your hairdryer in top shape but also save you from costly repairs in the future. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more maintenance tips. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.